is good, everybody? It's your boy Anthony here, and today I am actually unboxing the Apple Airtags. I have yet to open them, I have never used them, but I have seen how they work, which is super cool considering I lose absolutely everything. So let's get right into the unboxing and setup process of the Apple Airtags. So looking at the box, super easy, super great, easy to open, you know. Pop the little tab right here, pull that right off. I'm actually surprised that it's plastic compared to it actually being paper, essentially, like a lot of the other newer Apple products are. A little bendy bend on the box there. Let's carefully open this up. Easy, cool, little tab. Super simple to pull out. Ooh, gotta always give Apple the credit where the credit is due. Apple always does incredible packaging. Start here, super easy. Okay, more safety information. There was a lot of safety information on this. All right, so I have not seen this. I have not seen a 4-pack unboxing before, so I'm super excited to see how they actually package this. So let's get, ooh, baby, look at that. Look at that. That looks great. It's like I'm reading a menu or something. Wow, all right, so let's open up one of these bad boys. Cool, so I'm gonna fold this up for a minute. Cool, so pretty simple. Comes with a sticker on the front and a sticker on the back with the Apple logo. Absolutely beautiful. These things don't look like they're gonna be fingerprint magnets, which is awesome. So these things look incredibly sleek, so I am super hyped to actually pop. Oh, that's so sexy. That is so sexy. Okay, so looks to me that they are not activated until you pull this little sticker off, which starts the battery. Little boy, yo, oh my goodness, look at this. Holy crap, this thing immediately, my iPhone recognized that there's an AirTag. So let's go ahead and start the setup process. Let's go ahead and hit connect. So what am I gonna use this for? I'm gonna use this for my backpack. All right, so after that information, which you're not allowed to see because it's my personal information, we've easily got it setting up. It literally is just like, yo, can you confirm this info? Ooh, okay. All right, so this is super simple. Okay, wow. This is a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so we're gonna go here. So Anthony's backpack, yeah, that's my real name. If you have a phone that is 11 or higher, you will have precision finding. Anything else below an 11, you won't be able to actually have precision finding. So let's go ahead and do this. So boom, play sound, notify when left behind. All right, let's view in Find My app. Cool, so, all right. That's really easy. That's incredibly easy. So that is it for the Apple AirTags unboxing and setup. I mean, this was definitely the easiest Apple product to set up. I'm thoroughly impressed with just the way it looks, and I love that the battery is user replaceable. But I wanna do a whole review on these things, so let me know what you wanna see down in the comment section below. It's your boy Anthony, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.